Sooner or later, all of us will have to leave this old world behind. So why not we remember the new world, which will be full of blissful and delightful experiences? Why should we suffer the pain and the misery of the old world if ultimately we will have to leave it? Why not be a mere spectator in the old world and think about the new world, the one to which we all will ultimately transcend? Namaste, Param Shanti to all. Today the topic is what new five-dimensional world and the multiverse will be like. Many astrologers believe that there will be a shift which will transform the world from its current three-dimensional state to a higher state of five dimensions. First and foremost, we have to understand the signs and the warnings of time. We have to figure out in what time we currently living. Why are humans stuck in the endless cycles of death and life? In order to understand our own true self, we all should follow the path of self-knowledge or enlightenment. Will the world continue to function as it is, full of pain and sufferings? Even if we get happiness in this world, it is temporary. Our happiness in this world is not eternal. We have to figure out the purpose of our arrival to this earth. We were sent to this earth from the various dimensions and solar systems. But upon entering the negative atmosphere of this physical realm, all of the souls have forgotten the existence of their true self. The physical layer of five elemental body has covered the soul and they have got stuck in the illusions of this world. Now the question arises that will our journey keep going on like this till eternity? Will we achieve our original form? Will we ever be able to leave this mortal world and transcend to the immortal abode, Satyalok, or the supreme abode of infinite celestial degrees? Will the upcoming future be any good or remain same as the present? Bapuji has told us that for the Behad souls, the upcoming world will be very good and blissful. Not only this earth, but the entire multiverse will get transformed. This fact which Bapuji has told us is groundbreaking because all of the astrologers and philosophers have only predicted about the earth. They have said that only earth will get transformed. None of them said anything about the multiverse. Nobody knows the foundations of the new world have already been placed. The great transformations has already commenced in the subtle realm. Time is going to change at a great pace. Now I will share some of the snippets of information which Dolores Cannon had said. She had explained a few things about the ascension from 3D to 5D, like what will transformation be like, who will transcend to the new world. I will share her views because even though she had only foretold about 3D to 5D transformation, her knowledge precisely links the supreme infinite knowledge given by Bapuji. Bapuji has given us the knowledge of transformation of infinite celestial worlds. Sharing Dolores' knowledge is necessary because Bapuji told us the exact same things years ago. We have been listening to this knowledge since so many years and we found bits of that knowledge in Dolores' experiences, which are as follows. Dolores told that soon time will change. A new world of divine light will form. Divine light will fall on earth from above, which will transform the earth and the entire world. But what we really hear talking about is the transformation of the entire multiverse. The old multiverse will cease to exist and the new eternal multiverse will be made as told in Behad Gyan by Bapuji. Just like many people say nowadays that earth will transcend to the fifth dimension from 3D, Dolores told that in order to ascend or transcend to 5D, we will have to change our vibrations and energies too. This is because the vibrational frequency of the earth itself will change. There are many dimensions surrounding us which are invisible to our eye. We can't even imagine the amount of karmic bonds we have accumulated in our countless previous life. We have accumulated the karmic load of an eternity. She has also told that the world is going to transform now, as it is observed that end comes after the extremities are reached. But the end of this world will culminate in its transformation. It will start with a change in vibrations of the earth. The souls of human will awaken. The power of soul, which are invisible right now, will be visible in the coming future. This is an important statement. The entire earth will develop, after which a new world made up of divine light will come into existence. The elements will be transmuted. Right now, the preparation for these events are going on in the subtle world, as Bapuji has told us. Bapuji has clearly told us that the preparations for ongoing and upcoming transformations are being done in the subtle world. If we want to become the part of this transformation process, then we have to realize our soul conscious state by embodying the supreme knowledge of soul. In Dolores Snippets, she also said that the souls will transcend to the new world. It is a very crucial point to know that not all the souls will be able to transcend. At present, time is testing us. We cannot go into the new world while carrying the burden of our karmas. Therefore, we will have to end our good and bad karmas. What is important is the fact that everyone has a choice to either keep the values of this old world or adopt the values of the new world. The upcoming world will be beautiful and wonderful, far beyond our imaginations. The look and the feel of the new world, as well as its fauna and flora, will be unique and delightful. We have to understand that the elements, energy, and the vibrations of the new world will be nothing like what we have today. Also, our bodies will be different and made up of supreme divine light. The new world will have the language of thoughts. We will be able to travel anywhere at any time from one dimension to another. Dolores Cannon also said that some souls will leave the earth before the transformation, after which the power will be sent to the earth to transform it. If the transcending souls get stuck in the earthly relations, emotions, and attachments, then they will be dumped back to the three-dimensional world. When I asked with Bapuji regarding this, he told me that the Behat souls will transcend to the Behat world, or the supreme infinite abode of the infinite celestial degrees, because they have the infinite supreme knowledge. Once they start transcending, they won't get stuck in the earthly emotions and will help the other souls to transcend by giving them divine light. This is the power of our Behat knowledge which Bapuji has given us in a form of his blessings. So as far as Bapuji, the Behat souls will help in the transformation process by transforming the souls in their direct connection. The knowledge given by Bapuji tells us that the transformation will not be limited to this earth, but the entire multiverse and the worlds of infinite celestial degrees will get transformed. He also told us 3D means the physical or the gross elements, that is, ether, air, fire, water, and earth, whereas 4D earth will be of supreme elements, that is, supreme ether, supreme air, and supreme fire, whereas the 5D earth means the realm that is made up of supreme light. This is the end of time itself, and this is the time which will start transformation. The end of the time will bring the transformation, and the Supreme Almighty Authority Himself will be doing the transformation. According to Bapuji, countless eons, that is kalpas, have passed and the countless times transformation have happened, but the upcoming transformation will be permanent one. It will be permanent change. We don't know how many times this earth has been recreated and how many times this earth has been in the fifth dimension. According to Behat knowledge, in the past, the earth was unlike what we see today. Its form and nature deteriorated with the passage of time. Another fact worth mentioning is that there are infinite earth and solar systems like ours. Countless solar systems are in motion within the countless number of galaxies. What will be achieved by just transforming a single earth? As told by Bapuji, with the passage of time, all the solar systems are running out of divine power. So what kind of transformation will be optimum? Will the cycle of creation and destruction continue? No. According to Bapuji, the transformation which is about to happen will be permanent one. The five elemental world or the mortal realm will never form again. The entire multiverse is going to get transformed. Now the question arises that who will be responsible for this transformation? A few seed souls will accomplish this task with the help of Supreme Father, the Almighty Authority. As of now, those seed souls are elevating the vibrational frequency of earth by spreading the vibrations of supreme peace, that is Param Shanti, with their resolutions. Now we have to end the time, not wait for it. We have to decide the time of awakening of our soul, because the time which we have been given is for the enlightenment and the realization of soul. If you want to know more about the New World, then we have a book on the topic titled From the Heart of God. I request all of you to read the book, and you can also watch Babuji's video on our official channel titled The Future New World. In that video, Babuji has described the details of the upcoming New World. So let us understand this grand resolution, the Behad resolution of transformation. A great transformation is ongoing on earth, and very soon divine souls will awaken. You may be one of them. A resolution to awaken the 33 crore deities in near future has been taken, and along with them, this is the message of spiritual awakening to the 9 lakh Behad and infinite souls as well. So let's change the atmosphere. As soon as the atmosphere gets transformed, all the souls will awaken. This is the exact time of transformation. We all are the old souls and have descended from the other celestial universes. However, we were not yet aware unless we got this infinite knowledge. To know more about Dolores Cannon's teachings and its relativity with our Behad knowledge, you can watch more videos on our channel having separate playlists titled Dolores Cannon Video. Also, we have another channel under the name of Jill Patel, which too includes such videos. Kindly check out her channel too. Kindly click the I button which you can see on your screen on the right corner for more related videos. Thank you so much. Param Shanti.
Join us daily for live meditation, 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. on YouTube Live. Subscribe now. Website www.paramshanti.org. Email us anand@paramshanti.org. Like, share, subscribe. Join today.